Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching an advertisement of a jewelry brand which stars our beloved Mohanlal, and this is directed and conceptualized by Prakash Verma, who is our very own George sir. Yes, so this is for the brand Vinsmera Jewels, and the ad is titled as truly irresistible. So this is going super duper viral in Kerala, and I was asked to watch this because of apparently it's like really cool. So I've seen a couple of glimpses, and then I started getting requests for me to react to this. So then whatever content I was getting, I was just skipping it. But I have seen a couple of visuals from it. So yeah, let's watch this. Oh, I just realized this is not subtitle, auto-generated. It says auto-generated. Okay. So is there a subtitle video? Wait, let me just search it. No, I couldn't find any other video. I was seeing if there is another video, if it's subtitled, but okay, you guys can fill me up if I miss some context. All right. Yeah, this is the part I have seen.
Photography style shoot full back. Shivani. She is actually doing the lead role. Can I just try? The other one is much better.
That one? Where's the necklace?
What?
The necklace.
It was right there.
Jewelry is missing. What?
Jewelry കാണാനില്ല ട്ടോ. ഷോപ്പിലുള്ള jewelry കാണാനില്ല sir.
What?
The main jewelry is missing. We've informed the police. So please don't step out of the studio. Kindly cooperate.
തീർച്ചയായും.
He took it? Oh, yeah, he was eyeing it, na? His expressions, is he, when he's doing Sundaram, those are the gestures, right? Like these gestures that he's doing. Oh, he's loving it. The eyes don't lie.
Cheta?
What's written?
Vinsmera.
He said something. Mohanlal said something, isn't it?
Vinsmera.
Yeah, what was that? What did he say? I think that was really well done in terms of, firstly, in terms of showing that the impact of the jewelry is so much. It's so beautiful. Like, nobody can resist wearing it. Nobody can resist trying to, wear it on themselves and see how they feel about it. Like, it's so beautiful. That messaging has come across really well. Second thing, when you get an actor like Mohanlal to wear jewelry, I mean, now it's considered extremely feminine, but if you see initially, like, heels were invented for men. Now women wear it, but heels were invented for men. The longer dresses and all of that, they were all for men. The skirts men used to wear it. So now it's very segregated. Okay, this is supposed to be worn by a man, this is supposed to be worn by a woman. And even when you take jewelry, especially in our country's context, it's not just the queens who used to wear jewelry, right? It was the kings as well. The princes, the kings, they used to always wear jewelry. So this is not uncommon. This knowledge is not uncommon, and yet if now in today's context we see a guy wearing or donning some sort of jewelry, seen from a negative lens. So I think this kind of blurs that line, and that's why I'm saying, when you take an actor like Mohanlal to do this, the impact is absolutely multifold. I mean, any guy doing it would have created the impact, but you've got like one of the biggest stars of our country to do this. It just sends out a very, very impactful messaging as well. It's not just about the jewelry. It's about, if you want to wear it, if you feel like, oh, I would like to groom myself, I want to wear these earrings. Though earrings are still very acceptable when it comes to wearing jewelry, like earrings or bracelets. So it's not like chains, gold chains, not just heavy jewelry, but I'm just saying there are men who love to groom themselves that way. They love to wear the rings, the bracelets, the chains, the earrings, and it's all cool. So I love the fact that the messaging of him wanting to don that jewelry and feel great about himself, and then when Prakash Verma walks in, he's like, yeah, I just want to wear it. This feels great. And because he just smiles that way. He's not embarrassed. He's not dying of shame. He's just laughing at it. Because in the photo shoot, he's not supposed to wear it. That's what in the beginning, when the concept art was getting shown to him, that, oh, it's like a photo shoot. So, she's the main model and you're just going to stand, and that's all, like how the norm is basically. But he cannot resist it. I think that was really nice. No wonder this is going viral in Kerala. But I also want to know if there is a divided opinion for this. Like, why is Mohanlal doing this? Or, oh, this is great. Oh, I'm neutral about it. I definitely want to know, because it's going viral. And virality means all sorts of conversations happening. So I loved the ad. I think Prakash Verma is an amazing, amazing ad maker. I mean, that's who he is. And now, of course, an amazing actor as well. So I really hope to see, I know he'll never stop making ads, but I really hope to see more of him in films as well as an actor. So yeah, that was the reaction to the ad of Vince Mera Jewels. And I'm going to sign off now. Thank you for suggesting me to react to this. This was beautiful. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.